Record. Okay, today we are going to be looking at our profits for the week here on these three accounts that we are growing over the next 100 days. Today is January 6th of 2024. So about 94 days, well, 94 days exact, not about, moving forward to get to our goal to see where we end up at. Um, Actually, let me grab something here so that we have the amounts to compare these numbers to. I did go ahead and created a video or a display that has the amounts when I started the week. Again, I believe that was on Sunday and or Monday. Either one was the starting of the week because there was no trading on Monday. That was New Year's Day, so the banks were closed. So the trading started on Tuesday, which was January 4th, if I'm not January 2nd, excuse me. January 2nd was the first trading day. I don't believe I had any trades running from the previous week and ironically, previous year and previous month. I didn't have any trades open. So we started off the week on, we'll start with the smallest account, which is account one. That is an account I started, let's see here. Traders Week account history. I started that account. The deposit was made of $156.95 on December 8th. Had some pretty bad trades the first week or two, and then things started to get back on track on December 15th, which is when I started having way more positives, way more blues than reds. There were some still, or excuse me, there were still some red days or red trades. Like yesterday was a red day, Friday. And it wasn't because of NFP. The trades were actually taken and closed well before NFP. They were, I guess, the setups were setting up for NFP because they actually went in the direction eventually, but I did end up closing them as I don't like to have trades open during NFP. Volatility is not my friend, nor do I want it to be. So on the, let's see, I still haven't pulled it up here. We can actually just go to the account here. It should tell us the account. Oh, wow. Yeah, it has that information. I connected this well after the 8th, so I didn't know that it would have the information, but that's cool. It has it here. So the account growth is 407.25%. This is the total profit loss. This is the current balance. It was a little bit more. I did do an internal transfer from one account to the next, just because I'm using a risk management tool, and the lot size that I'm using to start with, this is the balance starting. So, and I didn't make it to the next step. So I just took that excess amount and put it into the next account, which is the bigger account. Let's see here. So yeah, on Sunday, the account balance was library. Where's that thing at? Where is it at? Should be here. Money challenge. It doesn't say. Oh, here we go. So that particular account on Tuesday when I started. Oh, these are the M5s. Where are the M4s? Account. And I want to show you a demo account too. So the account started off with $215.75, and we're now at 258.32. So we're looking at a weekly increase of a little over $150, probably about $178 or so. So really good gains for the first week. Closed trades. These are all the trades that I took. Really ate good. All right, so that's that trade or that account. So, and I think this does do, yeah, so it's $185.42 for the week on this account. Not bad. Seeing that I started the account with 150 some odd dollars. I forgot how much I said. So already made what I put in there back, and the goal is just to grow it. My main goal is to have each one of these accounts doing a minimum of, let's see, 400 a day. So that'll be coming in time, but right now this is not bad. And we'll go to the next account, which is another live account. This is not a funded account. I believe this one is actually down because I started it with that. You see the equity says 133.12 and the balance is actually 601.90. I started this one with about 700 plus dollars. Let's see if they have it on here. Growth, this is the growth. Yeah, I started this one with about 700. Oh, you see these deposits and withdrawals. This is over the lifetime of the account. I've made some good withdrawals, but the withdrawals are way less than the deposits. So my goal on this account is to, one, grow it to this deposit amount and more, and then withdraw that amount so that I can say I finally got all of my money back that I ever deposited into Forex now that I am profitable. Let's see here. This credit, let me see. They should have the amount because I know they, no, actually, bonus to balance, bonus to balance. Let's see, where was it? December, December. I think it was like the 20th. It should show the deposit. Should show the deposit somewhere. Bonus to balance, stop out. Deposit. Okay, so yeah, I started the account here, as you can see, with $736.52 on December 4th. Like I said, I did have those that week or two initially in December where I was losing. As you can see here, a lot of negatives, a lot of negatives, a lot of negatives, and then things started to get a little bit better where you see, although the positives are small, but they are actually, it's not on this page, but it's on the next page. When did I actually start getting some good money? Oh, here we go. So took about 2 weeks from that deposit date to start getting consistent with the profitability, as you can see here. And so yeah, that's $736, was it? Six bonus. So yeah, $736.52 is what I deposited, and then I got a bonus. That's why you see that difference in the balance and the equity. So that's my goal on this profit and loss. I definitely will be waiting to withdraw from this account I'll be waiting until I reach this amount to even thinking about making the draw. I'll probably double it, and then I'll be taking withdrawals from this particular account. So that's the second account, and we can see the total growth for this week, first week of January. I don't consider this the first trading week as we didn't have Monday, so we didn't have a full 5 days, and then NFP was on Friday. So we do have a total weekly amount of $242.92. And as you can see here, these 2 days were from yesterday. I guess this is the only one that updates actually today, because they might have BTC trading on the weekend. And it is a funded account, so it might be different. But because I know I took a slight loss on this account as well, maybe like $100 or $200, which we'll go over now. This is my sorry, not FTO. This is my top tier 25K account. When I started the week, it was actually negative $900, so it was like 2,400 and 100 and some odd dollars was the balance. And then this week, following my trading or in risk management guide, I did go ahead and Thursday it was above the 25,000, and then as you can see here on the 5th, that's when I took that small loss, 0.86%. Just making sure I didn't have any trades open during NFP. And we'll go to account info. So this was the highest I guess it ever was, the stick markets, which is, if you know, top tier. That's what I'm rocking with right now, top tier. I'm going to get max funded on that platform before I think about going to any others. But right now we're starting with the 25K. And let's see here. I want to see where does it have it. Okay, there was an adjustment because last week they did have an issue, but the trades that I did miss or get messed up on, they did credit my account. So shout out to top tier for doing that. I appreciate it. But yeah, it's the same thing here. At first, when I started deposit, it was, this week right here was actually pretty good. It was positive 100 or some odd dollars. Then I just had a progressively bad week, so to speak. And then this week was profitable. Almost got it back over the 25, which is good to me. So let's talk about percentages. This is, oh, that's crazy. It's 50-50 here. And I'm right at break even, which is funny. This goes to show you 50-50 is not bad. It's not good either. But my overall growth is minus 0.86%. And, they say shoot for 1% per trade on a prop firm challenge or per day, whatever it may be. My risk management is a little bit different. I can possibly complete this challenge within a week. I'm not stressing it though, as far as time. When it gets past, it gets past. I'm just focusing on my consistency and discipline on my accounts. This is a trade copier, so every trade I take on account one gets copied to funded one and traders live. I do have on my funded account, I did take off the copying for gold, because I do take it. Actually, I don't take it on any of these accounts. I take gold on my demo account for now, just because we're in a very volatile time and I don't want to risk trading gold on these. So I only trade Forex pairs on these three accounts. UCAD, USD JPY, Euro USD, NZD JPY, things of that nature. And today was a good week. So this is day 6 of the 100-day challenge, week 1 in the books. I like the results that we see here, and I'll look forward to continuing to grow in this challenge. So yeah, this is just my journey. I want to show the progress of what you can actually do within 100 days. I had contemplations of making it 100 trading days, but then that'll be too long. So just 100 days seems better. So, and I think that ends up being sometime in April, like the 6th or 7th or 8th, something like that. But that last week, I will be, I guess going over the results here, but this is just an update. If you wanted to follow the journey with me, that's cool. But yeah, and as you can see here, account totals is minus 3,500. I gotta get these positive, which I will. No stress there. And yeah, um, you know, as they say, follow, comment, like, subscribe, do all of that stuff if you want to follow this journey with me. And yeah, if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, just reach out. I'll be more than happy to help if I can. But so far, this is it. This is what we got going. So I'll see you on the next one. I might start doing midweek updates depending on where I get in my journey. And I'm also working on, let me see here if I can pull it up off screen. Yeah. So as you can see, this is a 6-figure trading plan right here. Oh, it's actually not recording this. Perfect. So yeah, this is a 6-figure trading plan I'm working on. And that's what I'm using to the T. I'm not deviating from it. And it's working out pretty good. Can't complain at all. And by its calculations, I could be well over 10x, 20x on each account. I just have to play my cards right, and we'll see where that goes. See you in 100 days. Or actually, see you in a week or whenever I upload next. But look forward to seeing the end progress here within 100 days.